Good morning, y'all. This is another client I gotta do. This is all before. You see that little stain right there? Then we do this whole carpet for them. Plus the closet too. I want this carpet to smell brand new and smell good. Let's take care of that.
Hey y'all, it's your boy Underlay Key back here with another video where as you see that I'm detailing this person carpet they have not did since they moved in this unit. So I'm doing them a good time for them to clean this carpet for them. But always keep your carpet, your rugs, anything like that clean so you have no feet function. Just nothing okay, got good smell in your carpets or your rugs. They do get dirty, but I'm out. Underlay Key.
take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior.
guys. All done. This is all after. This is all after the work I did. And I can show you how much is all in the filter. How much order is it? All that dirt under y'all carpets. So prepare all that dirt, all in that. So always get your carpets and rugs clean or detail every 3 months. Because if you don't, it gonna build up and look all dirty. You probably have feet functions too. So keep it clean, y'all.